Hello favorites, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to yet another interesting video. If you're new here, welcome. And my name is Gladys Yesa for those who don't know me. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And guys, I've noted we've really grown. We've added some subscribers. So let's welcome the new subscribers. Welcome to the favorite squad. So on today's video, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to make an oven roasted chicken. So buckle up and enjoy the video. As I told you earlier, today we are making an oven roasted chicken. So with me I have a whole chicken. It's well washed. I have lemon. I have 3 cloves of garlic. I have well sliced red onions. I have unsalted butter. I have extra virgin oil. I have rosemary leaves, black pepper, parsley leaves, garlic powder. I also have crushed garlic paste. Then not forgetting salt. So let's start. Mix all my ingredients together in this bowl. My hands were already clean. When you're handling food, you must make sure your hygiene is top notch. I'll add garlic powder, 2 tablespoons, but you can add more or less according to how you like it. I'll add parsley leaves, 1 tablespoon. I'll also add rosemary leaves. I will add black pepper, then salt. I'll add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Unsalted butter will give your chicken some nice buttery taste or buttery flavor. I mix them well. I'll slice my onion. Then I rub it, the lemon juice, on the chicken. Rub it on both sides of your chicken. Then I'll stuff my 3 cloves of garlic inside. Then my red onions, I'll stuff them inside as well. Because I didn't squeeze enough lemon inside, so I'll stuff lemon inside. Then I'll marinate the chicken with this already mixed spices. I hope guys you are keeping safe. I hope you've been well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'll try this recipe out, please you'll comment down below how it came out. You rub generous amount of your mixed spice. Make sure every part of your chicken touches the spice, or the spice touches every part of your chicken. Then turn it the other side like so. Roasted chicken is easy to make, very easy. The ingredients are simple and easy to find. The ingredients are readily available. It's not something hard, so you can try out the recipe and tell me how it goes. So I'll put it inside the fridge for close to 4 hours before we start baking it. Okay. 4 hours later, our chicken is well marinated. I will add paprika on top to give it that good red color. My chicken is ready for baking, and as I'm prepping it, the oven is being preheated at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So I'll start by preparing the vegetables, but this is a bonus recipe because the roasted chicken is the main recipe, but this is just a bonus, and it doesn't hurt for me to show you how I make my oven baked vegetables. So first of all, I will grease my pan, my baking pan, with olive oil, but you can use whichever oil, vegetable oil you have. Grease the pan like so. Then we add in the vegetables. These are just red potato, carrots, and some red onions. Then I season it with rosemary, some parsley leaves, then black pepper, salt. Then I'll put some butter to give it some good buttery taste. Like so. It hasn't taken me a lot of time, I think 5 minutes. My vegetables are ready for baking, and I'll bake it together with the chicken. I'll put the chicken on top so that the juices that comes from the chicken goes to the vegetables. Place my wire mesh, but before placing, I'll tie the legs of the chicken. I'm using a cling film. It's ready to go to the oven. I'll place it like so. Then I'll bake it for around 60 to 90 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. "30 minutes into baking, our chicken is almost, it's well browned. So I'll take it and baste it with the juice. This is how our chicken is looking like. It's nicely brown but not well cooked. So I'll baste it with this juice so that the outside skin is not so dry, and take it to the oven for another 30 minutes. If you don't have this brush, you can use a spoon. So I'll take it back to the oven for another 30 minutes. And I've turned it so that it gets roasted on the top. Our chicken is well browned, so I'll baste it with the juice, then return it for another 10 to 20 minutes. Then it will be ready. 60 minutes into baking, this is how our chicken is looking like. It's well brown, but not all parts are well brown. So I'll take it back to the oven for another 20 minutes so that it's well done in all sides. I'll baste it with the juice. And the reason of basting it with the juice so that the outside skin, it's not dry. 1 hour 30 minutes later, here is our well oven roasted chicken, and it's well done. It's beautifully browned, and it's crispy on the outside and succulent and juicy on the inside. And this chicken, you can serve it with any vegetable or mashed potato with gravy of your choice. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye. Love you.